Hi everyone, we have a very interesting question today. We are asked to calculate the size of angle A, that is this angle here. We have the size of this to be 20 degrees, that of this is 80 degrees, the length of this side is R, and this is also R. This segment and this are congruent. So how can we solve this? How can we calculate the size of this angle A? It is very simple. We start by labeling the points P, Q, R, and S. Since this segment RS is congruent with this PQ, we assume their length to be x each. Okay, let's come here to this side PS. Assume it is a side of an equilateral triangle. Draw it out. So this side and this will also have their lengths to be R as well. We know all the angles of an equilateral triangles are 60 degrees each. That is, this angle, this and this is 60 degrees. Call this point T. Here, draw a line that connects this point R and this T. Look at this triangle RST. The length of this side is x and that of this side is R. The size of this angle which is between them is 20 degrees plus 60 degrees, which is 80 degrees. Same is for this triangle PQS. The length of this side is x and this is R. We have the size of this angle which is between them to be 80 degrees. That fulfills one of the criteria for the congruency of two triangles SAS. So therefore, this triangle RST and this PQS are congruent triangles. So since this side facing angle 80 degrees is R, this side also facing angle 80 degrees must also be R in length. Back to triangle RST, this side has its length to be R and this is also R in length. That makes the triangle an isosceles triangle. And in an isosceles triangle, we know the angles facing the congruent sides are the base angles and they are equal. That is, since this is 60 degrees plus 20 degrees, this must also be 60 degrees plus 20 degrees, which is 80 degrees. Now still on this triangle, since these two angles are 80 degrees each, based on the rule that the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, this must be 180 minus 80 degrees minus 80 degrees, which is 40 degrees. But this angle PTS, its size is 80 degrees, and it is divided into this angle and degrees. This must be 60 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is 40 degrees. Let's look at this triangle as well. This side and this both have their lengths to be R. That makes it to be an isosceles triangle as well. So therefore, this angle and this are the base angles which are congruent. If we let this be B, this must also be B. So based on the rule that the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, the sum of this B, and this degrees must be 180 degrees. So B plus B degrees equal to 180. B plus B is 2B. Take 20 degrees to the right. 180 degrees minus 20 degrees is 140. So 2B equal to 140 degrees. Multiply both sides by 1 over 2. Here 2B times 1 over 2 is B, while here 140 times 1 over 2 is 70 degrees. So B equal to 70 degrees. That is, the size of this angle is 70 degrees. Now here we see this angle A, this and this are lying on the same straight line. And we know the angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So since this is 80 degrees and this is 70 degrees, this A must be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 70 degrees. 180 minus 80 minus 70 is 30. So A equal to 30 degrees. Thank you for watching. please subscribe, like, share and comment, and also turn on notifications. Thank you.